everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I made these earrings, and this is my process. So as you can see, I have 4 cardboard cutouts. I try to layer them in 4s because it gives it the perfect thickness, not too heavy and not too light. Because I like to think that I'm helping the environment, I like to recycle a lot of the cardboard that comes from packaging my orders. But today's cardboard actually is cardboard from my daughter's Christmas present, which is her My Little Pony set. So as you can see kind of like little on the front of it. So basically what I'm doing is just gluing everything together, getting everything put right so that it won't like overlap, that again it'll be a perfect weight just for the earring. In this regard, it's according to actually the cardboard that you use, how thick or how many pieces you're going to have to use to create the earring. This particular earring design and shape, I created it on my Procreate app, and then I transferred it over to Cricut to have Cricut cut it out for me. You can let me know if you want to see this design or if you want to be able to buy and purchase this design, because I do have a store. It's arashipanda.com, which I am going to link. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much just mapping out this design of how I want the earrings to be. This is another set of earrings that I have created. These are already painted and sealed. I decided to change the process around, so I paint them and then seal them just to give the cardboard a little more durability. For this one, I'm actually adding sequence glitter and iridescent shell pieces. I want to take this time out to just let you guys know I greatly appreciate you guys for following me on this journey and helping me along the way with your comments and ideas. I greatly appreciate you guys, and I'm glad you're following me on this journey. This just means so much to me. I'm going to take the time now to let you know that I am planning to be more consistent in this new year. Unfortunately, in the past, I have not been very consistent. I have not been consistent because I have a mental health diagnosis, but I'm not using that as an excuse. I pretty much have a lot going on in my life. I have 4 kids, a dog, and a whole bunch of other things going on, as well as I work as a peer support specialist. And a peer support specialist is an individual that works with individuals with mental health disorders, as well as having a mental health disorder themselves. This is to help individuals that are with mental disorders become more interactive in their community and to feel as they are a part of their community. This helps them to connect back to the community and to have a more stable mental health journey. So I use crafting as a self-care tool to help me when I am not well or I'm not feeling well, as well as to bring in a little bit more income into my home for my 4 children. So this is just basically me showing you this earring process from the beginning, because I know with the last earring I kind of started midway because I wasn't really about to record this particular earring, but hey, here I am. Doing these videos really helped me with my self-esteem, as well as make me feel more comfortable with my disorders. So as you can see, again, I'm just adding the shells. I really love this. I really love being able to do this as a part-time job and a part-time income. But I could not do it without you guys. Again, I really appreciate your support. I do have my own company where I create things like this. I chose not to go the Etsy route because Etsy was a little bit more expensive than I could afford at the moment. As you can see, I'm starting to dawn with Dimensional Magic by Mod Podge. So as you can see, during me putting the liquid, it starts to overflow off of some of the earrings, which is no big deal. This is just being used to give the earrings some gloss and to kind of hold in the beading. These beads are actually diamond art beads, so I don't want them to pop off or flake off. So this kind of gives the project a whole feel and pretty much seals them all together. You can never have too much sealing when it comes to cardboard earrings. This way, when it rains or it starts to pour down on you, the earrings still maintain their structure. Because the earrings have already been pre-sealed and everything, they should not fall apart at all. As you can see, this is the finished product. Like I was saying, it will just run over, and it gives it a really cool texture on the back from the texture mat. So I appreciate you guys coming and watching the video. This is the finished product. Thank you for following me and subscribing. Bye.